Imagine holding a machine that doesn't just process your thoughts, but actively anticipates them. A machine so overwhelmingly powerful that it redefines the very boundary between human creativity and computing hardware. For years, the tech world whispered about a ceiling. A limit to how much power we could squeeze into a chassis less than an inch thick. We thought we had seen the peak with Apple's transition to silicon. We thought the M series had already broken the rules of physics. We were completely wrong. What you are looking at right now isn't just an incremental update. It is not a standard annual refresh. It is a seismic shift in the landscape of personal computing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the Apple MacBook Pro powered by the M6 Max. And it changes absolutely everything. To truly understand why this machine is causing absolute panic across the entire tech industry, we have to look past the sleek aluminum design. We have to look past the beautiful display. We need to look directly into the silicon heart of this beast. For the past decade, the battle between desktop PCs and laptops was a compromise. If you wanted absolute rendering power, if you wanted to simulate entire worlds, train massive artificial intelligence models, or edit multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw footage, you were chained to a desk. You needed a massive power supply, loud cooling fans, and a desktop tower that drew as much electricity as a small appliance. The M6 Max has officially shattered that chain. Apple didn't just build a faster chip, they re-architected the entire concept of mobile computing. Think about the sheer scale of what is happening inside this silicon. Built on a revolutionary, ultra-refined nanometer process, the M6 Max packs an astronomical number of transistors into a space smaller than a playing card. But numbers on a spec sheet don't matter. What matters is what those numbers do when you press the power button. The architecture introduces an entirely new tier of performance cores that don't just run faster, they communicate with each other at speeds never before seen in a consumer device. The efficiency cores have been completely redesigned to handle heavy background tasks without even waking up the heavy-hitting performance clusters. This means while your machine is rendering a complex 3D scene in the background, you can compile millions of lines of code or edit high-resolution audio without experiencing a single millisecond of lag. But the real secret weapon of the M6 Max isn't just the raw CPU speed. It is the breathtaking evolution of the unified memory architecture. In a traditional PC, your processor, your graphics card, and your system memory are separated by physical distance and slow communication channels. Data has to be constantly copied back and forth, creating a massive bottleneck that slows down even the most expensive hardware. Apple eliminated this bottleneck entirely. With the M6 Max, the massive pool of unified memory is sitting right on the chip package, directly accessible by the CPU, the GPU, and the neural engine simultaneously. This means the graphics processor has access to an unprecedented amount of ultra-fast VRAM. Tasks that used to instantly crash high-end desktop graphics cards because they ran out of video memory are handled by this laptop effortlessly. You can load entire, massive machine learning datasets or feature-length film timelines directly into memory, and the system treats it like it is nothing. Let's talk about real-world dominance. If you are a creative professional, a software engineer, a data